Solving simultaneous linear equations, example 1, I'm going to use two different methods to do this. Firstly, the substitution method. So we have our two equations. In the substitution method, I'm going to rewrite one of the equations in terms of x or y. So if we take the second equation, I could rewrite this in terms of x. If I add 2y to both sides, I would see that x is equal to 2y minus 8. Now I could take this expression and use it instead of x in the other equation. So I'm going to substitute instead of x in equation 1, the other equation, 2y minus 8. So it becomes 3 times 2y minus 8 minus y is equal to 1. And multiply out the brackets. I have a 6y and a minus y, so that's 5y. And I add 24 to both sides, so it's equal to 25. So I can see that y is equal to 5. Now the final step is I'm going to take this y is equal to 5 and sub it back into the rewritten equation in part 1. So x equal to 2y minus 8. I'm going to sub in the value y is 5, so that's 2 5 minus 8, so x is equal to 2. So that's the substitution method. I'm going to now look at the other way of doing this, which is the elimination method. Okay, there's two steps to this. We're going to try eliminate either the x's or the y's. I'm going to write the two equations underneath each other. We might observe that if we multiply the top equation by negative 2, we would have a positive 2y in the top that would, when added, cancel out with the negative 2y underneath. So I'm going to try eliminate the y's by multiplying the top equation by negative 2. So when we do this, we end up with negative 6x plus 2y equals negative 2. So each part is multiplied by negative 2. And the second equation is still the same as it was. Now when we add these equations, we have the y's are cancelled out, they add up to 0. We end up with negative 5x and negative 10. Now if we divide across by negative 5, both sides by negative 5, this tells us that x is equal to 2. So we're halfway solved. That's step 1 completed. Now if we sub x equals 2 back into either of our original equations, we'll be able to work out what y is. So we know that 3x minus y is equal to 1. I'm going to sub in that x equals 2, so that's 3 times 2 minus y equals 1. 3 2's are 6, so 6 minus y is equal to 1. Now you might know that obviously if you take 5 from 6 you get 1, so y is equal to 5. But just completing the equation here, taking 6 from both sides and multiplying both sides by negative 1, we see that y is equal to 5. So the solution is x is 2 and y is 5.